Hey there, my name is Witter. I'm Chief Customer Officer with DyeMansion. This year we are celebrating 10 years of DyeMansion. Everything is around more dimension, more efficient. What does this mean? The key term around efficiency is TCO. TCO is a term that describes all costs attached to investing into technology and operating it over several years. There are several areas that are usually not in the focus in the beginning. Space, power, pressured air. All these terms need to be considered if you want to analyze and understand your total cost of ownership over the years you're using the technology. I will give you two examples. One is our PowerShot X. We launched the PowerShot X last year. Two key drivers of total cost of ownership is space and media consumption. So with the PowerShot X, we reduced the space requirements for two processes, cleaning and surfacing, by 50%. To further optimize the process, we implemented an anti-static agent. Making use of this anti-static agent and the optimized complete process, we reduce media consumption per run by more than 50%. Another example with our DM60, the only automated industrial coloring machine in the industry. We introduced a special cartridge. This cartridge is supposed to refresh the process water, so the dye bars that is used. So the refresh cartridge has two significant impacts. One is refreshing the cartridge. That means continuously you can reuse your dye bars and use it again and again for additional runs. The other very attractive thing is that the wastewater after dyeing is a very complex topic. With the refresh cartridge, you do not have wastewater after every run. Another very good example are the latest updates for our PowerFuse, the leading industrial vapor smoothing technology. So we did two things. One is we reduced the required space of the system by simplifying the loading process with the machine. So we reduced the required space by more than 25%, which again has impact on total cost of ownership because less space is required. The second thing, in addition to this, we are introducing a new basket. This basket has 20% more volume to load the machine and increases by this the throughput of the machine by more than 20%. So combined, 25% less space required and 20% more throughput per run. So coming back to the 10 years anniversary of DyeMansion, what you can see, after revolutionizing post-processing, industrial post-processing in the 3D printing world, now it's about real safe business cases for our customers. The technology is ready, the technology is proven, and now it's about reducing cost per ownership and supporting our customers to further develop and sustain their healthy business cases using our technology and driving 3D printing to the next level.